To enable whitelist-only protection, tap on Protection Level here in the parent dashboard. Select Whitelist Only from the protection options. This will ensure only approved channels can be watched. Tap the back arrow to return to the main dashboard. You have now enabled Whitelist Only protection mode. Let's go to next step, which is to add a channel to the whitelist. To add a channel to the whitelist, tap the plus Add button in the Channels section. Tap the search bar to start looking for channels. Type the name of the channel you want to add. In this case, we'll search for Discovery. Hit the search icon to find matching channels. Once the Discovery channel appears in the results, tap Add to Whitelist to approve it for viewing. The button will show a loading state and then change to Already Added, with a confirmation notification appearing at the bottom. Tap the back arrow to return to the main screen. Let's go to next step. Open your child device and watch an approved channel. To test your whitelist settings, tap the refresh icon to reload the app and apply the new restrictions. Wait for the YouTube interface to fully reload with the updated whitelist settings. Tap the search bar to test accessing an approved channel. Search for one of your whitelisted channels by typing its name. Select the channel suggestion that appears in the dropdown. You'll see the search results displaying content from the approved channel. Tap any video from the whitelisted channel to confirm it plays without any restrictions or blocks. You've confirmed that the whitelisted channel plays without any restrictions. Let's go to next step, which is to verify the block on an unapproved channel. To verify the block on an unapproved channel, tap the search bar again. Type in a search term for content that isn't on your approved list. Select the search suggestion that appears. The search results will display various videos from channels not on your whitelist. Tap on any video from an unapproved channel to test the blocking feature. The app immediately blocks the content with a message explaining that this channel isn't on your approved list yet, confirming your whitelist protection is working properly.